Right, in this video I am going to be unboxing only the, it's hard to say this word, bacon. It almost says bacon, BACOENG. So it's BACOENG. I guess it's BACOENG 3CFM vacuum pump. So this vacuum pump is used to extract weather inside your air conditioning system in your car, right? And so you really, all the years I've done adding aircon fluid in the R134 alpha, what I normally do is just pump it in, and then obviously the system gets pressurized by the extra fluid that's added, plus the air in there, and I have to kind of go to the low port side and release it, or the high port side, I can't remember now. One of the ports I have to release some of the gas, is probably high port side release from. Then you can add some more in. So number, it's a waste. It's not very accurate, and also it's not how it's meant to be refilled. So if you've got if you just need to add a little bit in it, then you could do that. But if you've got like a drain system like I have, you need to obviously repair the leak, which is mostly replacing the aircon pump in your car. And then extracting all the whatever's in there. I say whatever because you're going to have a mixture of air, you can have a mixture of fluid, oil. So you extract that, and then you add the mixture of R134 alpha in it. It's got oil in it as well. Right, okay, let's just get on with it. So this is the vacuum pump manifold gauge set. Complete AC repair. So this is not from Amazon. That says Amazon. This is from eBay. I bought it, and for some reason they packaged it in an Amazon box, and the delivery driver said, "I want, give us your details from Amazon." They needed some sort of code number, but I kept saying no, I bought it from eBay. But in the end, it was the eBay that they coded it. So it's a box, another box. It weighs maybe like 15 kilograms, something like that. Feels like about 15. Made in China. You can just see that. I think probably you would expect something like this to be made in China. So we want to know, obviously if you're watching my video, you're thinking of buying this. So the key thing is, if you're thinking of buying this, you want to know what attachments there are. They show you a picture, don't they? Yeah. I will leave a link in the description to the eBay link that I bought this off. So you'd be doing. The main thing is you want to know what attachments there are, and will those attachments fit your car? So there's the low port side, the high pressure side. So you've got there's going to be a cable that connects the vacuum pump to the ports, and then there's the cables that connect to the refill, right? When I say refill, I mean it could be a large refill. It could be one of them green ones I use. It could be a very large one. Who knows, right? But really, ideally, I should measure it. Right, so it comes in two boxes. It's like a carrier bag. You carry everything in. That's neat. And it comes in vacuum pump oil, 250 millilitres of oil, which is good. Here's my vacuum pump. There it is. Let's take it all apart. When I'm watching, when I look at the photographs, when people sell these things on eBay, Amazon, wherever, it doesn't really give you the whole picture. That's why it's always good to look at video like this. So, rubbery feet, these vanes, it feels quite well made, I would say. Nothing that is kind of cheap on it. It doesn't feel cheap. There's some sort of release valve here. I'm going to guess this is where you vent it from. Yeah, I think this is like the vent valve. So nicely, it's got this handy thing in there to stop it falling off. Oil. I'm just going to tighten that because I don't want it spilling. There's a tiny bit of oil in there. See it? Oil level, and we need to get it to the maximum, I guess. And that is it. There is nothing to it. I was expecting another valve on top. So this is The extracting valve. I was expecting something else. Where it sucks from, I guess. Must be the case. We'll test them. On off switch. Comes in a plug. I'm going to test some of the connectors to this. I'm not, you know, mystery, isn't it? Me doing it saves you from being not sure when you buy these things. I'm saying, look, yeah, I'm going through it all. Yellow, red and blue. Yellow for the vacuum, I guess. Blue for low port side, high port side. You'll need all of them. So let's curiously, well, don't cut your, make sure you don't cut the cabling. So your brain is probably thinking the same thing I'm thinking, because it's the first time I've seen this. I don't know what's going on here with this thing here. I was expecting this would be the gas relief support. There's a screw thread on there. I'm just going to put away to one side the red and the blue. They both look the same. This one's got an angled kind of edge to it. Brass, I would say. I don't know which way we will connect. I'm guessing this one connects to there. This one's at an angle will connect somewhere. 100% sure. Maybe to the bottle. Not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to figure this out. But that does screw on there. We know that now, yeah. So that's that. Just kind of ignore part of what I'm saying, because I don't really know what the yellow one is for. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I know the blue must be the low port side. It's got the same screw end, both ends. Same with the red one. These look really nice. I like the look of these. So I'm guessing take this one off and attach this one on here, which it is doing nicely. And this is low. Right, so close, open, open, close. So I'm reckoning if I pull that back, yes. So this, you kind of push into the low port side. Alright, again, this will end up attached to your refill bottle, whatever make it is. Not sure where the red one goes, although the red one I do know it should go to the high port side. And you've got the opposite, the high port side. Goes to the red cable, and where the red cable goes, I don't know. I'm gonna have to research it. So this will be a refill bottle. Don't know where the other end goes on this. This one, again, don't know. And don't know is a good way of saying, basically, you just don't know, rather than making up. You've got a hook. You've got a tap. Yeah, this goes on top of your refill bottle. Yeah. So this will sit in here like that. Like that. It sits on top of your refill. You could turn the tap on and off. And of course, when you use a refill bottle, generally you give it a shake and then open the tap, but stand it back up and then open the tap. Alright. So one of them large bottles, you don't really shake them. So there's this. So we're getting finding there's quite a lot of stuff in here. You've got all these. And you've got all that inside there. I got a feeling this will be, because I think it does. Here's the back. It's got all the data you want. You can see that. And it's got, I think it's got different, must be different adapters. Don't know. Not 100% sure what these are. Can't really say, but you can see. I'm just going to slow that right down so you can see. If you can figure out what it is, just put a note in the description. I might even just take that out, as it is complete mystery to me. Obviously there is a instructions booklet which I hardly ever read. Right, you tell me what these are. I don't know. I don't pretend to know. It's an unboxing video and there's plenty of unboxing here. It's got this. So this, will it fit? Will it fit? Yes, it does fit. Right, it fits on there. And the other end is dissimilar. Does it fit on here? No, it doesn't fit. Look, it goes right up, right down. So it wouldn't be that. It will be this. Replaces this. It sits here like that. Nope. Oh, like the little metal thing. See the little metal thing? It's on here but missing from here. Very puzzling. So the little metal thing, the little brass thing here is there, but it's missing from here. Okay. And the little black thing there is the little black washer in there. See it? Okay. Stick. If I don't, I'm not none the wiser still, but this looks like spare under those, and how you take that off, I have no clue. And you've got 3 of them. They all got different sizes. They're all kind of different. Pull them open. Pull it. Take them out. One looks like that. These 2 look exactly the same, but that one looks bigger. Or does it? Still don't fit. I don't know. It could be for a different type, not R134 alpha. Not 100% sure. Don't know what that is. We've got this last unit here. I will quickly flick through the manual. So you've got a valve here. I can turn and close. High and low. I can turn and close. Something sits in there. Something is pushing on here. I think these ones here are just holders. Once you finish the cabling, finish pumping it or sucking it out or whatever you want to do, I think these push on just to hold him. I'm 100% sure. Yeah, because look, they're blank. See them? They're blanked off. So I think, no, it doesn't fit. I don't know. Not sure why these are there. They're both blank from both sides. I'll go. This would fit then. Nope, doesn't fit. Probably does fit, but I'm not doing it properly. I'm just going to leave it. Don't want to shove in, damage anything until I worked out what it is. So there's that high side port, low side port. I think there's screws in there somehow. You hang it in your car. Alright, that's the video. Should I flick through quickly? Not really. Oh, look. R134 alpha. Doesn't really say what model it is. I better be the R134 alpha because that's the one I need. It's the one I purchased. So you can go just first page. Number 1, low side port. Number 2, high side pressure port. Good. Number 3, 0 adjustment screw. Right. So there's an adjustment screw here. Don't really understand it. Oh, I'm pull a little cap off and screw it around. Okay, fair enough. 4, low side pressure interface. Low side, fair enough. 5, high side pressure interface. 6, low pressure valve blue. High pressure valve blue. Vacuum, 8. Vacuum or refrigerant interface. So the refrigerant goes in there. Oh, I get it. Right. So the high and the low, they just kind of measure what's going on inside the car. Nothing goes through here. You just get a gauge of the pressure in the low and the high. And the vacuum pump, yellow one, goes in there, vacuum or refrigerant interface. So adding in refrigerant and sucking out whatever's in there, same using a yellow pipe. Alright, so you just have to switch from the yellow one will go onto the bottle after you vacuum the thing out. Test window 9. So test window, I think now, I'm not sure what you're supposed to see, maybe a lot of bubbling or something. Alright, told you I'll work it out. That's what, I'm not told anything, but to work it out. Alright, thanks for watching, and maybe, I don't know, maybe purchase your own one if you want. Thanks for watching.